Hey you, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna share with you what are the top 5 books for real estate investing, what are the top 5 books that influence, and what are the top 5 websites and tools that we use in our business to flip multiple homes every single week off market, all from home. My name is Raul Balufet, and I help people start and scale, get that first deal, or jump up to 5 deals per month buying investment properties online. Now, I know there's some of you guys that are, maybe you're like me, maybe you're a little bit different, but you like and enjoy reading and you like tools, right? Before I get into the books, and I have them here with me, and I'm gonna share with you the websites that we use in this video. Before we get into that, I just wanna let you know, although books do help with your mindset, and although tools help you do deals, tools is not what makes you rich in real estate. Tools do not get you deals in real estate, okay? Books help you with your mindset, but books also do not make you rich in real estate. Books help you learn, okay? So these tools and books are a good add-on to other things that you can do to actually explode your next deal, explode your next real estate business, to get you to the goals that you want to get to, okay? So I'm not saying that none of this is bad. Actually, we use this all the time. I read every single day. But as a full disclaimer, this isn't something that's a magic pill. I give you these books and you become a millionaire. It takes effort, it takes intention, it takes action, massive action, and it takes discipline and also spending your time on the right things, okay? Enough with the rambling roll. Let's get into the video. All right, so let's start with books because, man, books are amazing. You can learn from other people's mistakes. It's the greatest thing ever. So the first book that I'd recommend for real estate investing that absolutely helps, How to Win Friends and Influence People, okay? This book right here it's a classic, okay? Why did I bring this book up? This is a people business, right? If you're looking to purchase a home, looking to sell a home, or if you're gonna talk to a homeowner that's looking to sell their house at a discount, probably, well, you have to understand that you're talking to another person, okay? When you talk to another person, you need to know how to influence them and how to win them over. And people will not sell you their home if they don't like or trust you. I can tell you that from experience. Number 2 book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. So this is also another classic. Robert Kiyosaki, he's a good dude, or he seems like a good dude. I've never met him, but he's definitely a lot older than this now. So this is a good picture of it. But this is a classic. This really goes over the cash flow quadrant. It goes over what rich people do, what the non-wealthy people do, what the investments, assets, and then he talks about real estate, and he briefly touches about like wholesaling and flipping properties a little bit, and tax stuff. Like it's really good general knowledge book to get your foot in the door, to get your brain thinking real estate. Why do people even get into real estate? This is a really good book of why people get in and stay in. All right, book number 3, Atomic Habits. So when it comes to buying houses or when it comes to starting your own business, it is not the one thing you do. It is not the 10 things you do. It is the little things that you do daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, yearly that make the biggest impact and the biggest difference. I'll give you a quick example. And in this book, there's so many cool examples, and they give you like they give you even like charts and stuff. It's pretty amazing. But I'll give you a quick example. The one thing that we do that helps us continuously be successful in real estate and make 6 figures a month is the small thing. The small thing is making a certain amount of calls every day. Okay, I know that sounds so cliche. Yeah, if you get on the phones. That little small habit that our salespeople have, and I myself have, is what wins us deals over and over and over. So what I love about this book is that it breaks down the science, the psychology of it. Because if you want to get in the game, it's not about the one course you take. It's not about the one offer you made. It's about the things you do every day to really get you cranking. All right, book number 4, Organize Tomorrow Today. Man, this one's good. This is by a coach and a Dr. Jason Selg, and the way that they organize their thoughts in this book is so useful. it's just an easy read, and it really puts you in the zone. So basically, Organize Tomorrow Today, as the title says, it helps you plan, okay? And the whole premise of the book is planning. If you fail to plan, you prepare to fail, okay? And he's talking about one of the tips they give is every day at night or in the morning, write the 3 things that you need to get done that day. You need to get done that day. Highlight number 1 that like you absolutely have to get done that day. So this really, I'm a naturally very unorganized person. I still am. My assistant is a rock star and she's way more organized than me. But this book really helps you organize your thoughts for the next day, for the next year, next month, and really plan ahead. If you want to buy 1 house, 100 houses, this will help you get there. Now, book number 5, No Excuses by Brian Tracy. Okay, and probably some of these you're like, bro, these don't even involve real estate that much. Yeah, so wholesaling is a marketing and sales business, right? You gotta put advertising out there to get leads, or do advertising yourself on the phones or text, whatever, door knocking, that's advertising. And then there's sales, you gotta talk to people. Now, No Excuses here by Brian Tracy, he does a great job. It's such a good read. And he goes over every section in your life of how to have no excuses and get exactly what you want. But I love that he has sections on sales, leadership, management, everything that are extremely applicable to wholesaling or finding deals. As far as phone calls, be there early, research, listen to podcasts. He has tips and tricks and like literally do this, don't do this, don't do this. In this book, it's very action oriented. Now, those are the books for you. In the next video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go into my computer and I'm gonna share with you the top 5 apps that we use in our business, websites, to get you cranking, get you going, and get that first deal or bump up some more real estate deals for you. Thank you, and I'll see you on the next video.